All right, so this is my newest installation. This is and why this is important. I'm going to say really brief, and I think this is super cool. This is a 2007 Street Glide. You know, I customized it, did a whole bunch of stuff. And this is a 2014 and up King Tour Pack. I had to do a customized rack from Thunder Road Customs and Custom Dynamics. These guys, amazing stuff. All of this works. All of it works. And it comes that you can buy it. It's less than $100 for both. For the quick detach and then the conversion kit with the Rushmore style connectors to the older style connectors. I'm just super happy, man. Super happy.